Are you guys hungry?
Yeah.
What do you guys have taste for?
Maybe some Oreos.
That will not fill me up.
I got an idea. How about some fried Oreos?
Yeah.
Let's go make them. Okay guys, so now we're gonna start heating up our oil.
So we're gonna need a pan and oil.
So guys, when you make these, make sure that you don't use too much oil because you don't need too much.
Just use all of it. Make sure you have only like a little bit like that, so then it wouldn't just.
Make sure you put it on 4.
4?
Well, some people's are different. Yeah. Make sure your flame looks like that.
Yeah.
If it looks a little too flat, then you need more mix. So we're gonna add more mix. And of course, Ari and Sana ditched us. Ari, Sana,
Yeah.
where did you go?
I needed to go to the bathroom.
You wanna make sure that your batter is somewhat liquidy so that the oil can fry it properly. So we're just gonna get a little bit more water into this mix. So now that we have our mix, we are going to dip our Oreos in and transport it to the oil.
Make sure you cover your Oreo.
All the way. Alright, who wants to cover the first Oreo?
Me.
Get your Oreo. All the way. Cookie left. Drop it in really fast and move your hand. You need about 10 to 20 seconds on each side just to make sure that the batter gets golden brown. So here we have our first 2 done. And we're gonna do some more.
Wait.
Okay guys, here we have the finished product. They're looking very good.
They smell like bread. Yeah.
They smell like pancakes. Are you guys ready to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay, grab one that you like. Alright, ready, set, go. Mmm. It tastes like
Tastes like the regular Oreo.
It tastes like a pancake filled with the icing of an Oreo.
It tastes like a gooey cake.
A gooey
Vanilla
cake.
cake.
A gooey vanilla cake. You guys know what would go good with this? Some ice cream.
Yeah.
Ooh, you guys ready to try this?
Yeah.
Dip it.
Alright, I got hot.
Alright, ready, set, go.
I want to taste a million of these.
A million of these.
They're good. It's like really good.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed us making these fried Oreos. Comment down below if you want to try this recipe or comment any suggestions you can make. And let us know if you tried it. And comment down below.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. click that notification button so you would not miss any of our videos.
And comment any improvements we can make.
Bye.